Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and oh my goodness, here I am literally unboxing the giant package that came from Poland. I haven't done an unboxing in a really long time, and I have been waiting for so long for this to come. Just a forewarning that I might cry or get a little bit misty. I have a paper addiction problem. And so yeah, we'll just see what is in the box. Can you see the box well? Can you see the box well? Okay. Oh, here we come. Here we come. This is, oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm gonna move this is what I'm gonna do so that I can put the things down next to. First, we have, oh my gosh, these are new collections and stuff I ordered just for me. Okay, so we're just gonna have to see what we see. Oh my goodness! First of all, I'm just gonna go like this and do covers, many covers. Oh, these are new. These covers are for making like mini albums or album covers. Oh my gosh, just look at that one. Oh. Look at the purple wood. Look at. Oh. Oh. I am excited. I'm going to try to move quick. Oh my gosh, it's the wrong way. I want to see it. Sleep and dream. Sleep and dream. 8x8. Oh my gosh. These are new. I might cry for real. Lavender Bliss. Oh. The Sweetsters. Look at the little monsters. Look at the little monsters. Good camera work. Oh. Spring Morning Dream. Spring Morning Dreams. This is, oh my gosh, Paws of Happiness. The kitties. Oh, the kitties. Oh, Love Me Forever. Oh, this is the new wedding set. Oh my gosh. What are these? Look at little tiny things. Oh, they're like little ticket cards. Oh, this is, oh my. This I ordered for myself. Yes, I did. Mixed media. Mixed media. The mixed media, the chipboard, the hazy street. Little chipboard shapes. I didn't remember ordering that many. I guess I did. Oh my goodness. Boy, they're really thick. It's a really thick chipboard. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh, the small covers. Good. That's good. Oh, look. Quotes. Now they have, wait, I'm seeing it. This is, oh, I know what this is. These are the quotes that I ordered. Oh yeah, these are the quotes that I ordered. And this is rice paper. Rice paper. Hazy Street. Look at the clock. Did I order that many? I guess I did order that many. 5. Look at that. This, so look how you can kind of see through it. It's really flimsy. So this is good for canvas, mixed media art. I am so excited to make stuff. I can't hardly stand it. It looks like we have 6x6s of all the same. And what is this? Oh, Sleep and Dream, baby's first year. Wait, what? Oh, look at the, oh. papers. That's how many is in here? Oh my gosh, I don't have my readers. A set of 7 1- and 2-sided papers. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Oh my gosh, that's great. I didn't know anything about that actually. That's really great. What is this? These are the chipboard words. Oh, I got them in English. I was like, wow, I'm surprised there's no, because I ordered them in English. Yeah. Basic paper set. Oh, more chipboards. Are they different? No, they're the same. Little 6x6s of the same collections. Basic paper set 4. I got to do stuff with basic papers. This, if you're making a mini album, this is a perfect page size. Or if you're making small cards. And then in here, these are the goodies, all the extras goodies. So we have, wow, what is happening here? Extras to cut. Oh, you know what? They put all the mixed media ones together. So I have birds. Oh, I ordered these for me. Birds. And this is really thick paper to fussy cut out. Sleep and dream. Look at the kids. Look at all the different kids. Oh, look at the thing. What is that? A unicorn doll thing? Look at little, oh. Oh. Wow. Extras to cut 1 and 2. I love the designs. Oh my gosh, look at the flowers that go with it. I am in love. Look at the sleep and dream. What is this? Decorative cards. The Sweetster. Oh my gosh. This reminds me of some books that I used to have when I was young. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. The new paper smells so good. Look at the Sweetsters extras to cut too. Boy, it's a nice matte paper too. Oh my gosh. Little monsters. Oh, perfect. Oh my goodness, that is gonna be, those actually will be easy to fussy cut. It doesn't look like it's real tricky. What is this? Decorative cards. These are thinner. Are these 2-sided? Oh, they are. That's pretty on the other side. But the thicker ones aren't. Lavender Bliss. This looks like a variation of the Lavender Hills. Yeah, it is. These are nice. Extras to cut. Oh, look at the flowers. Oh, look at the decorative cards. I'm trying to go quick. If you want to see them closer, just like pause the video maybe and just take a look at them closer, because this video will be way too long by the time. Look how big the box is. Oh my gosh, I see what's coming. What is this? More. Oh my gosh. I can't get it out. Extras to cut. Look at the frames. This is great. These frames. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice. I'm really excited to make some mixed media projects. What is going on? Oh, look. Quotes. Oh, this is from the mixed media line. That's why. I like words paper. Is it on the back? Oh, good. They have the Polish on the back, the English on the front. Yeah, that's good. Flowers. Ooh, leaves. Leaves to go with the flowers. That's nice. Got a good, nice watercolor feel. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited right now. Decorative cards. Oh, this goes with the Spring Morning Dreams. And the decorative cards. It just goes on and on. Flowers, sleeves that go with the spring morning dreams. Oh, look at the cats. Oh, look at the cats. Paws of happiness. Oh my gosh. Is there another one? Oh, look. They have expressions. Look at the mouse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. I like how it doesn't look like bubblegummy. You know, it's really nice. I really, really like it a lot. Mr. and Mrs. I am working on my wedding album right now. And this is great. Look at that. Nice extras. Look at the wardrobe. And the flowers. Oh my gosh, so pretty. They didn't need 5? Yeah, they did. Oh. And then back to the frames. I think that's all of the extras. And then 12 by 12 packs of everything. But this I got for me. Yes, I did. 12 by 12 packs of all those other collections for Creative Team, but this I got for me. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to create. I know the box is still full, but that's all the collections. And you'll definitely see more coming up as I start to create with them. Thanks so much for enjoying this unboxing with me. I am so excited. I'm just going to play with the paper and sit and touch it and smell it. And thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.